Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about trading strategies. This is a stock market for beginners video, and if you're super pro in trading, just skip it. We have 5 different trading strategies, and 4 of them are active and 1 passive. We have 4 active strategy. It is a day trading, position trading, swing trading and scalping. First of all, I think that if you wanna be an active day trader, it will take all of your time, and it is not possible to compare it with your job or any other activities. Number 1, day trading. Day trading, it is a trading when you open and close your position in one day. In United States, you cannot make more than 4 day trades per week if you don't have a 25,000 budget account, or if you didn't pass a 57 exam. In example, you can just sit at your home and you got some strange thing like oh, maybe it's Apple stock will grow today, and you're buying it on a market open and sell the stock after 3-4 hours with a profit like $2, and that's day trading. The second one is a position trading or a wave trading. It is a trading when you're trying to sit on a wave. You're buying on a lower highs and sell it on a higher highs, on an upper trend and opposite on a downtrend. The third one is a swing trading. It is when you're sitting and after a huge wave of sale you just get on the market and wait for a swing. Actually, it is one of the best and safest strategies, because it is really hard to get on the market on a U-turn. And the fourth is a scalping. Did you see some people that typing really fast and they're buying and selling stocks? That is a scalping. You can be in a market like 3 seconds or 10 seconds or maybe 5 minutes, and 99% of time you just watching on a screen and waiting. Just something will happen, and it is easier to show it on a screen how it's look like. You can learn active strategies in any proprietary trading firms. Just Google it like prop trading, and even in Russia we have lots of company doing this. The main rule of active traders is money management. You can make that you will automatically be blocked from the market, and your position will be removed in any brokers, and you can just make that 2 or maybe 1% risk to your account. If you have 10,000 and you lost more than $100, you will just ban it for 1 day. It is really helps for every beginner traders. I think that only 90% of people can be good, profitable day traders or active traders, and even the good traders will be retired someday. And the last one, and I think is the easiest one, it is a passive, and it's called buy and hold strategy. It is a strategy where you buy a good stock after you research it, and if it pays dividends, it is very good, and you just buy it and hold it for like 6 months, 1 year, and after. In this strategy you will just need to make 100 or more stocks per portfolio, and if one of them just go down and will be delisted from the market, you can just doesn't feel it. If that video was helpful, please push the like button and subscribe button. See you soon, it will be really interesting here. Bye bye.